This beautiful place called the Bosque means the world to me. As I come here and walk every morning to breathe in the breath of fresh air, this place gives me inspiration, tranquility, and a peace of mind. So when I come here, I look at the trees, I hear the birds, I hear the water. I look at all the things that God's created, all the beautiful things that we miss as people. And so the Bosque provides an outlet for me to be nurtured by Mother Nature. And nurturing to me is very important to everybody. We're a people and creatures of habit that get confined into our own spaces. But when I come out to the Bosque and take my walks, I look at all the little things that can become an art piece, whether it's a piece of wood, a rock, an image that I put in my head, a vision. All of this comes to me as I walk through these little passages and paths that are natural. The Bosque is another place I call home. It's a home for my soul, for my art, for my inspiration. That's what the Bosque means to me. That's why I think everybody should come and walk with me. As I hear the birds sing here in the Bosque, it kind of reminds me a lot of being in California, because I grew up in California. And I remember going to the beach, hearing the seagulls make noise, sing along. And when I came to New Mexico, I got that same feeling that the birds are welcoming here in the Bosque. And so the Bosque has always given me a fresh look towards life and towards how I feel inside. And so does the Rio Grande. That's what the Bosque means to me. This piece of wood that I found here reminds me of all the carvings that I've done here in this beautiful place. Picking up a piece of wood like this gives me inspiration to create a work of art. For a walking stick, for a wall hanging. Mother Nature provides us opportunities. And when I find a piece of wood like this, it's an opportunity to explore my creativity. As I see this piece of wood, there's many promising ideas to create a fresh piece of art. As I sit here and look around in the Bosque, it reminds me of all the good things that I've gotten from here, all the good things that I've learned about being a better artist, about being an inspired artist. Sitting here and thinking about all the times that I've crossed paths with many different people has given me an opportunity to go back and reflect on a lot of good things and a lot of bad things. But the good things are most important to me. The things that resonate with me about myself as an artist is what's most important. Learning to be patient. Learning not to be patient, but to allow time to nurture my art. and not being so much in a hurry, but to being more at peace. They're making a heart above us. Look at this. It's almost meant to be. God loves everybody. This is what the heart represents. This is why it's above us. We're being loved by nature and by God. Isn't that beautiful? How does that happen? 1 in a million. That anything can happen like that for us. Especially today. This is so, so beautiful. It's a sign. Sign of good things to come. Look at that, a heart. Out of all days, we were at the right place at the right time. At the right spot.